đây đó. Đâu. Đã. Why? Yay! 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 Yippee! Woo! Yeah! Attempts on screen. Yeah! GG! Wow! Yeah! Peasy! 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 Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? 27! 27 Victor. Peasy! Peasy! Oh! 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 Look at that! Oh. Peasy, 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 peasy. That's not equal, right? Okay. This level's fun, but like there's a billion choke points. Like this one ship at like 44, and a bunch of parts like after the duel, and just the entire ending. Also, like, the second part of the pre-drop's pretty annoying. But yeah. GG.